Hello and welcome to our next tutorial. To buy Uniswap with fiat currency, jump to the Guardarian.com. On our homepage you can check out the list of cryptocurrencies available for exchange, and get some more information about the coin you are interested in, by clicking on currencies at the bottom of the page. Select a fiat currency you want to exchange, and enter the amount you wish to spend. Please pay attention to the minimum amount available for your transaction. Before going forward, check the exchange details and fees. Guardarian has a fixed fiat currency fee and isn't charging you with additional or hidden fees. The expected exchange rate is the rate at the moment of calculation. Please note, depending on market volatility, the final amount can be changed. Paste your Uniswap wallet address and write your phone number for SMS verification. Enter the code next. The following step is the verification of your identity. Please choose your document type and take a photo. Then goes a facial check. We need to ensure you are a real person. Turn on your camera and follow the written instructions. Most verifications are processed within a few minutes. After this, you need to make the payment. Fill in your payment card and billing information. And use this step to check the details one more time before finally proceeding with the payment. The process of the transaction takes some time, don't worry. After we receive funds to the bank account, the crypto will be sent to your wallet. If you have any kind of questions, don't hesitate to contact our customer support.